Today we're going to work on these. These are PAX system run flat tires off a 2006 Honda Odyssey. And, we're going to take the rubber off the rim so we can recycle the aluminum. It came off the vehicle. My brother had got rear-ended on I-10, and the vehicle got totaled. So we're going to recycle the aluminum rims, and we're going to remove the tire pressure monitoring sensors, TPMS, and reuse those. So that's what we're going to do today. Never done this before, and only went on the school of YouTube to see how to do it, and there's a couple different techniques, and they only showed removing the tire or removing the sensor. We're going to take the rubber off the rim so we can reuse or recycle the aluminum. All right, we'll be back in a minute. All right. Can you see me? Go on. All right, we're gonna see if we can get the rubber off these tires pretty easy. And I'm gonna use a reciprocating saw. A lot of people call it a sawzall, which is a brand name like Xerox is, but it's another one of these trademark names that gets watered down over the years. And it's like a skill saw is a brand name, but everybody calls a handheld crosscut saw a skill saw. Alright, let's see here. I guess we need some personal protective equipment. We got our knee pads, some gloves, more gloves, since there is, these are radial tires and there's steel beads in here. Alright. Be right back. We'll get set up here. Electricity. Plug in some electricity. Gotta have to use to make it work. Alright, we got power. Let's see. I use a Dewalt Reciprocating Saw. Let's see what kind of blade we're going to use. We'll try this metal blade here. First we need to get the air out of the trade valve. Let's see, where's our valve? Oh, this one actually has a stem cover, valve stem cover on it. I guess I'll do this so you can see what I'm doing here better. Air out. I guess the reason why people do this is because these tires last about 40,000 miles, and every 40,000 miles if you have these tires, you can't, supposedly, tire people tell you you can't replace them. You can replace them, they're just $400 a tire. So every 40,000 miles you're going to put $1,200 into the vehicle, so it's cost prohibitive. So what people do is they remove the sensor and get another rim that actually fits the vehicle, and then mount the sensor on a new rim. Yes, by the, you just pull the trade valve out. That's right. Through the magic of editing, we'll get most of the air out, so it'll go poof, pierce through it. And it's almost there. And the sensor is right in this area here, and it's mounted. with the trade valve, and it's a centrifugal force and also atmospheric pressure. Tire over there. DOT B94W HWNX 2005. Maximum load 900 kilograms, maximum pressure 300 kp. 44 pounds per square inch. Explosion, sudden pressure loss of tire rim assembly due to improper mounting. Never inflate beyond 40 psi. That says right there, max 44, so don't go above 40 to seat the bead. Only specially PAX system trained persons should mount tires. Mixing PAX system assemblies with non-PAX system assemblies. Mixing different tire. Read this. Mixing different tire sizes on the same axle line. First, we're going to cut an area out here. You see this? Cut an area out here and remove the TPMS, the tire pressure monitoring sensor. And then we'll start taking off the tire. So let's do this try here first. Got into the aluminum there. Come back over here and go around the other way so we don't hurt it. All stinky. Come across here. That gives you room to work. Alright, there she is. Alright, let me get a drop light and we'll continue here in a moment. Ooh, stinky. Like that, you can see it right there, huh? There's our sensor. And that's what we're going to remove. There's the TPMS tire pressure monitoring sensor inside this 2006 Honda Odyssey rim. We'll remove it first. You can see the interior rigid, looks like high density polyethylene, but we'll see once we get it apart. And take the rubber off this rim. Start with 11mm socket. See if this works like they say it's supposed to. School of YouTube. So I figured I'd contribute back, since there's only a couple videos showing this done. One guy used a 3-inch hole saw, which seemed real effective just to drill a 3-inch hole right there just to get the piece out. And then he reused it on another rim. And another guy used a Sawzall. We're going to, that looks like it feels like it's loose already. Piece of metal that might fall out if we ain't careful, but it don't matter, we're taking the rubber off anyways, we can retrieve whatever falls in here. Looks like that's loose. Alright, there's your can. Here's your sensor. There's one. We'll put this, we'll clean them up a little bit, put them back on there, and we'll sell them on eBay. There's your tire pressure monitoring sensor. A little circuit board on there. Kind of cool, actually. What's it say? PBT 30 GFTRW Automotive. It's got an FCC number because it's a wireless device. What's that? GQ43-21T IC integrated circuit 1470A-2T, and then it's got 32152, 315 megahertz, B80B458A. That might be a part number there. It looks in great shape. I mean, they all worked before. All right, there's one. Now, we'll remove the rest of the tire. Make a little smoke here. Need the socket for the next one. All right, let's see what we can do here. Well, that's on there good, huh?